Hello guys, I am Cheriyan. Today we are going to learn the integration by parts. Integration by parts. I am going to derive the formula integration by parts right now. Okay, let us check what it is. So the first one you need to remember is integration is the inverse of derivative. Okay, so we need to know the product rule of derivative. Okay, right now after writing down the product rule, then I am going to derive the product rule of the integration, that is integration by parts. Okay, so what is the product rule of derivative? That is in the derivative of uv, two functions, derivative of two functions is equal to first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Okay, so we are going to, now what is next? We are going to integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Integrating both sides. Okay, so that is you guys need to remember derivative of u. What is the integral of derivative of u? That is u. That is derivative and integral cancel each other. It is the integral is the inverse of derivative. So that is the only thing you need to remember. Integrating both sides. So I am going to write this one more time. Derivative of uv equals u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, integrating both sides. Okay, then what is this? Cancel, because derivative and integral are inverse. Okay, derivative is the inverse of integral. So uv equals, see here, okay, uv integral u dv plus v du. Okay, so I want to write this one equals, so minus integral v du on both sides, minus integral v du on both sides. So we are going to derive a formula. So what do you get? This one cancel each other. I am going to write this one first. Integral u dv equals uv minus integral of v du. Okay. Oh, listen. Integral first function and second function. Second function is dv. Okay, suppose second function is the dv, first function is u. We know that first function is u. I am going to consider dv is the second function. Okay, then first function into, if dv is the second function, what is v? If dv is the second function, then what is v? Integral of dv is v, right? So integral of the second function, integral of dv, then minus, you understand? See, first function into, what is v? Integral of second, minus integral of, what is du? I am going to write du first. Integral du v. What is du? Derivative of first function. Du. What is v? Integral of second. Integral of dv. Okay, this is the formula. First function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function. Derivative of first function into integral of second. That is the formula. Now, usually, my suggestion is to remember this formula. There is a formula for remember this. That is Fibidis. I always do this. First function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second. Okay, this is very important formula. For integration, we always use this one frequently. So integral u dv, integral, I'm going to write one more time, integral first function into second function. I'm going to write first function f and second function s, okay, equal in the first function into integral of second minus integral of, then bracket, integral of derivative of first function into integral of second. That is that. Remember this formula, okay? So I am going to write, we are going to do some problems, 2 or 3 problems right now. So last class I asked you to remember these functions. Here there are how many functions? See, I late. I is the inverse function, L is the logarithmic function, A is the algebraic function, T is the trigonometric function, and last E is the exponential function. What is inverse function? Inverse function example, sine inverse x. What is logarithmic function? Log x. What is algebraic function? X to the power 2 plus 3. These are algebraic function. What is trigonometric function? Sin x, cos x, tan x, sec x. Those are trigonometric. Exponential function, e raised to x. Okay? E raised to x. E to the power x. Okay, remember this formula, this sentence. I late. Okay? I late. Integral of sin x into x. There are 2 functions here. One is sin x, the other one is x. What is sin x? Trigonometric function. What is x? Algebraic function. Here, the algebraic function is the second term. What is the first term? First term, trigonometric function. See here the order, algebraic function, trigonometric function is after the algebraic function, right? So you need to correct this, you need to correct this according to this sentence. That is integral. Which one comes first? Algebraic function comes first. X into sin x dx. Okay, now we can using the formula Fimidis. Okay, we can use that formula. Integral of first function. X sin x equals first function into x into integral of second, integral of sin x dx minus integral of derivative of first function, derivative d by dx of x, derivative of first function into integral of second. Okay? Alright? First function x into, what is the integral of sin x? Integral of sin x is minus cos x. Okay, I am going to write minus first. Minus cos x. Minus integral of derivative of first function. Derivative of x is 1. You don't need to write that. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. It becomes plus cos x. You understand? See, dx by dx is 1. So integral of sin x is minus cos x. Minus and this minus becomes plus cos x dx. Okay? Then minus x cos x. What is the integral of cos x? Sin x. Okay? This is the answer. If you want to check plus c, okay, you need to write plus c all the time. So if you want to check whether our answer is correct or not, so just find the derivative of this function, the whole thing, you get the question. Sin x or sin x into x or x into sin x. So I'm going to checking. You don't need to do this all the time, and for verify. Just now I am going to differentiate this. Okay, minus x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so I am going to write plus sin x plus cos x into, what is the derivative of minus x? Minus 1. Okay, minus cos x. Okay, plus derivative of sin x is cos x. See, this one cancel. Answer is x sin x. See, you get it, x sin x. So if you differentiate this, you need to get the question. Okay, so our answer is correct. So this is the formula, Fimitis. Next one, integral of x e raised to x dx. Okay, what is x? X is algebraic function. What is e raised to x? Exponential function. So what is the order? Algebraic function is before exponential function. That is right. So here it is right. So differentiate, apply the Fimitis. First function x into integral of second e raised to x itself, no change. Integral of e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay, we all derived this in the previous class, all day before the previous class. Yeah, plus first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function. What is the derivative of x? 1 into integral of second e raised to x. X e raised to x minus integral of e raised to x is e raised to x. So this is the answer. If you want to check the answer, you can do it. Okay. If you differentiate this, you get the answer. X into just apply the product rule because two functions. X into e raised to, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x into 1 minus integral of e raised to x is e raised to x. Cancel out, you get the question. Okay. Next one. Next one, I am going to write an important question, that is integral log x dx. We don't know what is the integral of log x. Now, using the Fimitis, using the integration by parts, we are going to find the answer for log x. Log x, integral log x. Log x is where? See here. So after that, there is the algebraic function, right? So you need to write log x into 1 dx. 1 is a algebraic function actually, because integral log x into x to the power 0 dx. We can write like that. Okay. So apply the Fimitis, apply the integration by parts. First function into integral of x to the power 0. X to the power 0 is x to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. That is x. Okay, that is x. First function into integral of second is x minus integral of derivative of first function. Derivative of log x is 1 by x into what? Integral of x to the power 0 is x. We already got it. X dx. X cancel. Okay. So I am going to write x first. X log x minus integral of 1 dx. What is integral of 1 dx? Is x. So this is the formula. Okay. X log x minus x. Integral of log x is x log x minus x plus c. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.